Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be giving you guys 3 reasons why your wedding cake should be fake. Yes. I know, coming from a baker, I'm supposed to encourage you guys to make, elaborate wedding cakes, and stuff, so I can make money, because I'm a baker, so I can bake cakes basically. But today I'm just going to give you the tea, just how it is. Yeah, so these are 3 reasons why you should consider having a fake cake for your wedding. So these 2 cakes you see in my phone, this is like, a regular, like, old school cake. I used to like Tenner cakes when I was little, because this was what cakes looked like when I was younger. Yeah. Okay, so this one as well is a dummy. So they're both fake cakes. They're not like real cake inside of them, but yeah, they look real, they look nice, and this will look nice at any wedding, especially this one. This is like a regular, wedding cake ish kind of cake. Okay, so these are 3 reasons why you should consider having a dummy cake for your wedding. Number one, if you have a small budget. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, this cake will cost me around maybe $400 to put together as an old cake. It will cost me about maybe $120 to put together as a dummy cake, because that way there is no real cake inside. It's just fake, it's styrofoam, and no one will know. They can't tell. Yeah, so another way you can do that, if maybe you and your husband or you and your wife want to cut the cake at the venue, you can tell the baker to insert a little cake by one portion of the dummy, so that way there will be something to cut into and take pictures with. So that way you can save on money. You can save as much as 60-70% on your wedding cake, and you still have, an aesthetics of cakes, and like, people would think you have cake, it's just that there is no cake. And you still have your cake in your wedding pictures and everything to look really nice and stuff, but no one will be able to tell. So if you're running low on budget, this is a good way to go, and like, no one will be any wiser basically. Okay, so number 2, why you should consider a fake cake is that maybe you just don't like cakes. Some people don't like cakes. Yeah, they don't like cakes at all. They don't really care for it, but they like the aesthetics cakes give in events. Like, maybe you want to be able to take pictures with it, you want to just have a wedding cake basically, but you don't really care for cakes, you don't like to eat them, and like, you already have a nice menu for your guests to eat, so why spend so much on a cake? Yeah. So you can just tell your baker, you can find a baker and explain to them that you don't want a cake, but you do want a cake. So that way they can make you a dummy cake from top to bottom. It can be dummy. And the amazing thing with this is that you can make it as elaborate as you want. Let's say, for example, if your budget was $400 for a cake, maybe I might charge you $400 for this. Yes. But imagine you give me $400 to make you a dummy cake. It's probably going to be like 6 or 7 tiers and really huge and elaborate and really nice, and to be really impressive. And so that way you'll be really impressed, and your guests will be impressed as well. Okay, so you can save on money, and also if you don't like cakes. So my 3rd reason why you should consider a dummy cake is logistics. It just makes your life a lot easier. Nothing can possibly go wrong. It's very light. Let me show you how light this is. Yeah. I can basically carry this with one hand. If this was a real cake, I can try this, because this would be really heavy. This would be at least like 5-7 kg, 5 to 7 kilogram of cake. But this is not even up to 1 kilogram, because it is dummy. So it is easy to set up, and like, you're not going to spend that much money. It is easy to deliver and all of that. So the logistics, the budget, and maybe you just don't like cake. So yeah, I think you should consider a dummy cake. And they're so pretty, and no one will be able to tell. See how gorgeous this is. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. And I made this in less than 30. And I made this in about 45 minutes. So pretty. Yeah. This can easily pass for a wedding cake. And people will be like, oh, the cake is so pretty. And the amazing thing is that, like, most people don't even, like, look to taste the wedding cake as guests. Like, when was the last time you attended a wedding and you were thinking, oh, I want to have a slice or a piece of the wedding cake? Most people are not thinking about the wedding cake. They just want to have fun, dance, just basically have fun and celebrate to the bride and groom. So nobody is looking to eat your wedding cake. So if you don't have that much money, or you just don't care for cakes, make a dummy cake. Okay guys, thank you so much for always watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in my future videos. Yeah, there is background noise because I'm outside. Do you guys like these videos or I'm outside? Anyways, bye. I'll see you next time. Bye. Ugh.